Hello, Capricorn. This is your 2026 Reset and Rise spread. Your lucky crystal for this year is pyrite. It can activate and enter the soul star chakra. This is your higher self. It anchors the sun's energy, making you shine with happiness and drive for wealth and opportunity as it attracts money, clients, and aligns success in your career. The woman in the Lenormand asks you to lead through presence, intuition, and emotional intelligence. Even if you're a man, you are called to embrace your femininity. Be more malambing, compassionate, may malasakit. Now, as we enter 2026, ano ba dapat ang i-let go natin? What you are finally releasing is the King of Swords. You're done explaining yourself. This card says, release being cold. Over-analysis, isip ng isip, at yung palagi tayong, ako kasi ang tama attitude. Now, what is your power theme for the year? The Knight of Pentacles, slow, steady, unshakable. This is the year of consistency over chaos. No shortcuts, no rush, no burnout. Relaxed pace lang, pero alam mong ang long-term stability ang ginagawa mo. And winning quietly. Now, paano mo naman malalaman saan ka magiging masaya, magiging kontento? Through healthy competition and collaboration. This year, you don't hide your gifts. You engage, you participate. Money, opportunities, and recognition arrive when you enter the room. Kailangan mong lumabas, sumali, magpakita. Siyempre, may plot twist. What is unexpected? The Four of Pentacles. You need to let go of control. Bawasan natin ang pag-iisip kung paano i-control ang pera, ang tao, at kakaisip na baka maulit-ulit yung bad experiences. Loosen your grip para mag-flow naturally yung stability. So, ano naman ang advice for you to get what you want this year? The Moon. Trust what you feel. Even when the path isn't fully lit, kahit medyo may kalabuan, this card asks you to move with intuition, not certainty. It's time to listen to your dreams, watch patterns, because overall, Capricorn, the universe is saying, the more you stay chill and calm, the more you become powerful to attain your dreams. At the back of the deck is Judgment. This card confirms that nothing in this spread is accidental. Every release, every slow step, every intuitive move is part of a bigger rebirth. Good luck, Capricorn, and enjoy 2026.